Today we are visiting Tsutenkaku, often referred to as Osaka's Eiffel Tower. Tsutenkaku, meaning tower reaching heaven, stands proudly in the Shinsekai district of Osaka. Originally constructed in 1912, the tower was modeled after Paris' Eiffel Tower, symbolizing Osaka's aspirations toward modernity and progress. The original tower was dismantled during World War II, but a new, improved version rose from the ashes in 1956. Our journey begins at the base of Tsutenkaku, where you can find various shops and restaurants that capture the retro charm of Shinsekai. As you ascend the tower, you'll be treated to a panoramic view of Osaka from the observation deck. On a clear day, you can even see as far as Mount Roko and Awaji Island. One of the highlights of visiting Tsutenkaku is encountering Biliken, the god of happiness. This quirky figure is a beloved icon in Osaka. Rubbing the soles of Biliken's feet is said to bring good luck, so don't miss the opportunity to add a bit of thought into your day. A fascinating fact about Tsutenkaku is its history with neon lights. In the 1950s and 60s, the tower was adorned with vibrant neon advertisements, earning it the nickname Osaka's Neon Tower. This dazzling display became a symbol of the city's post-war recovery and economic boom. For those interested in local culture, the tower also houses a museum dedicated to the history of Tsutenkaku and the Shinsekai district. Here you can learn about the tower's evolution and its significance to the people of Osaka. After you visit to Tsutenkaku, take some time to explore the surrounding Shinsekai area. Enjoy the nostalgic atmosphere, indulge in delicious kushikatsu, and immerse yourself in the vibrant local scene. Before you leave, don't forget to capture the moment with a photo and tag us at Pocket Explorer. Au revoir and keep exploring!